It's finally time to choose a winner of the PC case giveaway. Yay! Okay, what we have here is a Google spreadsheet with everybody who participated on YouTube or on Instagram. After removing everybody who threw in a random sentence, didn't pay attention to what you could actually win or whatever this is, we had a total of 444 contestants. What a nice round number. And no, this bullshit does not give you multiple chances, it just annoys me. So out of those 444, 261 came from YouTube and 183 came from Instagram. And everything was going fine until I saw which case was chosen the most. Why would you do this to yourself? I don't want to get too deep into this, and I will not be judging anybody's choices, even if they are kind of stupid. Okay, enough of this nonsense. It's time to choose a winner. Just like last time, I will be using this random number picker from Google because it's the first thing that pops up. Congratulations, number 34. Congratulations, Elliot Schmidt. You won number 2 with the Intertech C03. Congratulations, Elliot Schmidt. You are now the proud owner of a Intertech C303 mirror. I'm kinda happy that nobody won the Q500L. I would feel bad if anybody got that case. Okay, so from the release of this video you have 7 days to contact me over Instagram DM or email, which you can find in the channel about page. And from there I will give you some instructions how to prove your identity and other things and address and here and there, and then we are good. To the other 443 people that tried their luck, thank you very much for participating, and maybe next time will be your time. Okay, I think this was about it. Then bye bye.